Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I can show you how to copy contacts on this device. Firstly, open the phone application and click on, man icon to open the contacts. Then open the settings of this application, and here you will see the copy contacts feature, and here you can copy from phone or copy from your Gmail account, from your Google account. For example, I want to copy it from Google account. I want to select all contacts I want to copy and click copy to phone, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.